So let's get real and let's talk about how the average trader, the average new trader, can do incredibly well trading from home. So Apple, $217, right? You need that $200,000 to buy 1,000 shares. Well, you can rent 1,000 shares of Apple for about $2,500 with a delta that's probably around 40. So if Apple goes up $1, you make 40 cents. If Apple goes down $1, you lose 40 cents. You don't have an equal return on the underlying price of the stock because you didn't put up 217 grand. But if you only put up $2,500 to rent the stock for a short period of time, and it goes up $1 and you made $400 on that, your investment versus return is so far away from what the actual stock purchase is.